Vice President Sara Duterte called the Marcos administration paranoid after President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. stated that the issues being raised against him are allegedly part of a plan to remove him from office. This report from Jason Rubrico.
Well, I'm confident because I know what we did or did not do. But if we investigate everybody. We follow the evidence, and wherever that leads is not something that we try to direct or influence.
In an interview at Malacanang, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said he is confident in the ongoing investigation of the anomalous flood control projects, even if it reaches his office. Marcos emphasized that the palace has nothing to hide and that attempts to involve him in the issue are merely political.
Wala naman tayong tinatago, wala tayong malakas. I know that there are several, the opposition would love to bring me into this, to include me in all of this. But that's politics.
However, Vice President Sara Duterte questioned the president's excessive confidence, especially since the investigation is not yet complete. She said it is puzzling that the president seems to already know the outcome of the investigation, even though it has not yet concluded.
Sa ganitong ongoing pa yung investigation kuno at inquiry kuno, sobrang magtataka ka bakit confident yung Pangulo na hindi aabot sa Office of the President yung iskandalo at yung korupsyon. So ibig sabihin, siguro alam na niya kung ano yung kalalabasan ng inquiry at ng investigasyon. Kasi wala namang iba sigurong explanation kung bakit napaka-confident mo sa mga mangyayari pa. Wala pa akong nahanap na tao na alam kung ano yung mangyayari bukas. Siya pa lang, si BBM pa lang.
VP Sara added that President Marcos' involvement in the issue is no longer politically motivated since the campaign is over and he is no longer running for any position.
Hindi na ito politically motivated. Bakit? Hindi naman siya makakatakbo na ulit Hindi na siya politiko. Presidente na siya, and that ends there. Hindi na siya hinahabol ng mga tao, ng taong bayan, dahil politiko siya. Hinahabol siya ng taong bayan dahil wala siyang ginagawa bilang Pangulo. Hinahanap sa kanya yung trabaho niya bilang Pangulo.
Following this, VP Sara also rebutted President Marcos' claim that linking him to corruption issues is allegedly part of a plan to remove him from office.
Sino ba sa ating lahat ang nagsasabi at nagpaplano ng destabilisasyon? Walang nagsasabi na oust Marcos. Ang merong mga grupo na nagsasabi resign. Nagtataka ako sa administrasyon, bakit nila sinasabi na destabilisasyon ang pagpapahayag ng mga tao sa galit nila? Kasi hindi yun destabilisasyon. Yun ay freedom of speech and expression. So kahit man mag-rally ang mga tao araw-araw sa EDSA, hindi destabilisasyon yan. Freedom of speech and expression yan.
The Vice President added that the idea of destabilization comes directly from the palace itself, stemming from fear, unease, and the current administration's extreme insecurity.
Kanino ba nanggagaling yung destabilisasyon na salita? Sa administrasyon. Kasi, duda ko, natatakot sila sa posibleng mangyari sa kanila. At alam naman natin na matagal na talaga silang insecure. Unang-una, insecure. Pangalawa, takot. Pangatlo, paranoia. Kasi ang tao na may bisyo, nagiging paranoid.
Reporting for Newsline World, I am Jason Rubrico, SMNI News.